So I welcome you back to this channel. Now this is my base for this pattern. So right now I'm going to start. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I insert in the second loop right here with triple crochet. So I proceed in the next loop, triple crochet, next triple crochet. So this is going to serve as my border for this pattern. So right now I proceed, I chain 2, 1, 2. I yarn over my hook and I count 4 at the base, 1, 2, 3, 4, with triple crochet. Can you see? So I chain 2, 1, 2. I insert in this same loop, triple crochet. Can you see? I chain another 2, 1, 2. I insert still in the same loop, as you can see, with triple crochet. Can you see the shape I have? So right now I'm going to proceed. I chain another 2, 1, 2. I yarn over. I count 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Triple crochet. So I proceed, triple crochet in the next loop. Next triple crochet. Sorry. Next triple crochet. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. One, 2. Still in the same loop, with triple crochet. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Triple crochet. Next. Next. Let me take that again. Triple crochet. Next. One, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. In the same loop. 1, 2. Still in the same loop. Sorry, I take that again. 1, 2. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up on this row. Now, as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I insert in the second loop, triple crochet, next triple crochet, next triple crochet. So I chain 3 this time. 1, 2, 3. I insert in this loop, can you see, with triple crochet, I move into this loop, the mid loop right here, triple crochet, then I move into this loop, triple crochet. So I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. So I skip this loop, this first one, I move into the next one with triple crochet. Next, so right now I proceed, I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. I yarn over and insert here in this loop, triple crochet, then here the mid loop, triple crochet, then in this next loop, triple crochet. You see, so 1, 2, 3. I skip this, move into the next loop, triple crochet, next loop, 1, 2, 3, triple crochet, triple crochet, triple crochet. Now as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. I chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Insert the second loop with triple crochet, sorry, next, next, triple crochet. So I chain 1, 2. So I insert in this mid loop. Can you see I have 1, 2, 3. but I will be inserting in the second loop, 1 2, with triple crochet. So 1 2, still in this loop, 1 2, still in this loop, 1 2. So I insert in this first loop right here, triple crochet, next triple crochet, next triple crochet, next this next loop, triple crochet, one two, 1 2 in the mid loop, 1 2 in the same loop, 1 2, still in the same loop. So I proceed, 1 2, 1 2. 1 2, triple crochet, 1 2. So this is how I'm going to proceed till I round it up. Now so far so good, I've come to the end of this tutorial. Can you see the pattern? Very simple and unique. It's something you can make yourself. Thank you very much. I appreciate you all for always being there. And if you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up by clicking on the liking button to appreciate this work. And if this is your first time you watch my tutorial or my video, I welcome you to this great channel. Here is a channel where you can learn how to cut and sew, and at the same time how to crochet different patterns and ways of crochet. Thank you very much. All you need to do is to click on the subscribe button below, and you hit on the notification bell as well, so that you can have access to my videos. So till I come your way, bye for now.